This is Demetris Robinson. I am here at 4979 Wolf Creek View, here to move in tenants, Mr. Michael Davis, and he's here along with his fiance, Miss Tashina Davis. Sorry. So we are going to do a quick video just showing the property. Here's the lawn. Everything looks rather well manicured on the outside. And we will proceed to the inside. Alright, so the carpet is being replaced on the 2nd of April. The homeowners already have that already lined up and scheduled for the carpet to be replaced. So there will be brand new carpet throughout the home. As you can see, the walls here in the living room are okay. This is a wood burning fireplace. Everything looks okay in there. The blinds are in really good condition. Blinds are in good condition there. I don't see any stains or leaks in the ceiling, which is great. The light fixtures are working. Excuse me.
What about this one right here?
Okay, I get that too. Let's see. The refrigerator looks okay. There's a dent there. And then there's a little area here in the ceiling, right there in the dining room. And then there's one here also in the living room. Just want to notate that. That's in the living room. And then that one is in the dining room over there. And the refrigerator is to be working. It's cold, it's cooling. So it looks okay. The stove is working. How do you work? What? Okay. What? Okay, I think it works. I just don't know what I'm doing. But there's the microwave. And then there's the stove. And the dishwasher. The floors. They're okay. And here is to the hall. Here's bedroom number 1. Walls and everything look okay in here. Again, as I said, that the carpet will be replaced. So keep that in mind. The blinds are in good condition. And here's the washer and dryer room. There's a washer and dryer present already that may possibly stay. Everything looks good there. Okay, so as we go down, I think this is just a closet. It's a closet space. Bedroom number 2. The light's not working. I guess it may need a light bulb. Oh, okay. Well, the fan is working, but the light is not working. So I think it may need a light bulb in it. But it has a cute remote thing that goes to it. So, alright. So the walls look okay. They look nice and freshly painted. And the walls. The blinds look good. The walls look good. The ceiling looks good. Okay. And then here's bedroom number 3. This is the master. The walls and the windows look good in here. Ceiling looks good. There's a little nick here. Okay. So it looks like they did a repair there. You can see that. faucets and everything. All the lights are working. It's like one of the bulbs are out. But the bathroom is out of the condition. All the lights are working. The fan is working.